Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say they want it.
Hey guys, so it literally feels like long time no see. I have not sat here and did a voiceover or even recorded a video in such a long time, it feels like, because I record so frequently. So this is definitely feeling like I haven't recorded a video in forever. But in today's video, you guys are going to be watching me take down my 6-week-old knotless box braids. I absolutely adored these braids, but it was time for them to come out because, as y'all could see, the new growth was crazy and they just weren't looking cute anymore. So I needed something new. I was ready for new styles. So don't be in the comments saying, oh, they still look good, because y'all do that in all my videos trying to make me feel bad for taking these braids down. But I first start off with sectioning off my hair just so it's easier to kind of see how many braids I have left, because it just feels better. And then I cut off my hair. So whenever I do my braids, I always have a plastic bag and scissors. Sometimes I use a comb, but in this video I did not use a comb. Like, I didn't really need to because I didn't have any fake nails on. So I just cut off all the hair in one section. I split it up from the front to the back, but I put the back into 2 separate sections, and I just kind of had it sit on my shoulders so that it wasn't in the way. So y'all are just really gonna see me take down these braids. I'm not gonna be talking for too long, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I finally completed the first section, which was so exciting. That took me about 2 hours. It felt like, yeah, it was like about 2 hours. And then I worked on the next section, and I just started cutting and just getting my hair together so that I could start unbraiding the other side, which was going to take a really long time too. Although my mom did jump in and help me, which was so much better because I was basically taking out 2-3 braids at a time versus just 1. So this was amazing. So now, as y'all can see, the back is all done, and now it's time to work my way in the front. And I didn't get as much footage of me doing my hair in the front because I decided to move and have my mom help me, like I said before. So y'all are gonna see just a little bit of here and there of my hair in the front, and then seeing how it looks at the end in the final results. Here I am taking out the final braid, which is like the best feeling ever. This in total took me about 5 hours, and yeah, I had very little bit of like hair coming out, which felt great. My hair was so moisturized. I did a really good job moisturizing it. But here's the final result. I did not brush my hair out, so y'all can't really see how big my hair gets, but it looks so good and healthy. And I washed it the next day, so it was definitely worth it. I absolutely love the knotless braids. Like, these were definitely a favorite. And yeah, I love you all so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.